Hi, welcome to Tuesday's 2 cents worth. Thinking about selling? Here are some important steps that'll make the process go smoothly. First, give me a call so I can learn all about your house, what your time frame is, and where you're planning to move to. That way I can set up a good marketing plan for you. Next, I'd like to meet. You can give me a tour of your house, show me the improvements you've made, what you love about the place, and even what you don't care for so much. I can offer you tips on minor touch-ups or repairs that'll really make your house shine. I'll go over a marketing plan and we'll compare your house to others that have sold recently and also to what your competition would be like. Then we can pick a good price point and decide when you'd like to hit the market. The next step would be setting up a time for pictures and paperwork. Pictures are the first impression that buyers get when they see your house online. So having a professional take them is very important. I'll explain all the listing documents so you'll know what to expect. Once they're signed, we'll be ready to go. And I can put our marketing plan into action. So if you're ready to start the process, give us a call. Travis and I promise to give you our absolute best service. Thanks for tuning in to Tuesday's 2 cents worth. This is Sue Derby from Shore West Realtors, your local realtor ready to work hard for you.